In this quick tutorial video, let me show you the way that you save job searches inside of AngelList, or now known as Well Found. Let's say you come across a job that you really like and you want to save it for later on so that you can complete your profile later on and then apply. So what you can do is, as soon as you come across a job that you like, you can see the option called save. As soon as you click on the save option, this particular job will be immediately saved to your profile. You can repeat the process for other jobs as well, and all of these jobs will be successfully saved right inside of your profile so that you can later on visit. All of the job saves will be visible inside of the save section right besides the browse all option. Later on, if you don't like it, you also do have the option of removing. So this is the exact way that you save jobs inside of Well Found or AngelList. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.